But as Doña Ana County holds meetings in public, are commissioners following social distancing guidelines? ABC 7's Kate Beery noticed several violations, and she reports from the county building with our New Mexico mobile newsroom.
You can see that these chairs are less than 6 feet apart in the county commission chambers, but Manager Macias says they are supposed to be 6 feet apart to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Did you measure them?
Yes, we did measure them, and they met the 6 feet requirement.
After we alerted Manager Fernando Macias to the spacing, building management came in to space out the chairs further, remove some from the chambers, and mark the floor with tape. Commissioner Ramon Gonzalez wore a face covering, but Commissioners Manuel Sanchez, Lynn Ellens, and Isabella Solis did not while they were addressing the public. The vast majority of the public did not wear face coverings. Sheriff Kim Stewart and Fire Chief Nick Hempel did wear their masks in the audience. Then there was not one, but 2 group photos with county commissioners.
Why?
Well, that's the tradition that we normally have at the chamber. I was not thinking about social distancing at that moment.
I don't have a good answer. I think I'm actually surprised that we allowed the public still. I understand we have the distancing, but I would have preferred to not have so many people in here.
Commissioner Shannon Reynolds told us he wanted to stay home because his wife has an underlying medical condition.
The reason I've done that is because myself and my wife are both in the higher risk categories, and it's not prudent for me to put us at risk unnecessarily.
And one thing we noticed, this is the only bottle of hand sanitizer for an entire room that was filled with at least 50 or 60 people.
We also asked commissioners and county staff why they weren't wearing masks.
Excuse me. I felt being behind the podium was sufficient distance at the time.
Why I chose not to wear a mask? Because I speak throughout the meeting, and I think that the mask inhibits the ability to communicate and to be heard.
A spokeswoman for the New Mexico governor's office said public meetings are still allowed, but public officials are encouraged to hold them online when possible, prioritize public health, and maintain social distancing guidelines. Reporting from Doña Ana County with our New Mexico mobile newsroom, Kate Beery, ABC 7.
Okay, Kate, and New Mexico State University continues to hold town halls online, and the city of Las Cruces continues to hold city council meetings online.